Nyamira mnichire moyo kwa kinga egati ya mnyikuru wa sensemeyo babire bakonyora amagendero kurubu egati ya barai kurwa ase county ya Nyamira babire bagwesokia na watemna nige serikali gwetera asomu governor we county yo amana waziri bae babegete miroburisaine yo kwa kinga ngo kibare kobeka byara bali bonsi bakora obokurumi asensemelia ye wizara yende mirase county ya Nyamira.
I don't know why I didn't have a group to discuss about how to make land available for you participants to initiate your projects. And I think the next session, we should be looking and talking around public land. County governments are in charge of public lands, and we have quite some sizable chunk of land that is public, but in the wrong hands. So that we find something to do with it, even if it means leasing 1,000 acres to do farming. The industrial park you had Wasiri talking about is on public land. If we didn't have that land, we wouldn't be talking about an aggregation and industrial park. There will be people who are interested in doing certain projects and they need 50 acres. And they think in a crowded place like Nyamira County, you can't find land for that purpose. I can assure you. There is a lot of land hidden under these blue trees that is public land. And people have made it look like it's private land. And therefore it has not been put into the right use. As we move forward into cutting down those water draining trees, we will need something to place there immediately, so that we are not making land available for no other use. Going forward, you will remember where we began from. When I was growing